In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Webador account. First, log into your Webador account using your email and password. Once you are on your dashboard, click on the My Account option at the top right-hand corner of your screen. From the Account menu on the left-hand side, select the Delete option. Here, you will see the Delete My Account option, but it may appear grayed out. If it is disabled, this means you still have active websites on your account. In order to proceed, you must delete all websites linked to your account first. Click on the Delete Website option next to each website and confirm the deletion. If you have any active subscriptions, make sure to cancel them before continuing so you are not charged later. Once all websites and subscriptions are cleared, the Delete My Account option will become active. Click on it, review the warning message stating that this action cannot be undone, and confirm the deletion. After confirming, you will be logged out automatically and your Webador account will be permanently deleted. And this is how you can delete a Webador account.